And Damon, a little bit of a break today from the heat, but a very brief break. Looking ahead to the rest of the week, we've got a little bit more like we saw last week in store.
As I've heard from a lot of folks, yes, it is still summer, so we are going to get that heat and humidity, but today has been nice so far, no question. Look at those current temperatures. It is not even in the 80s yet. That is a major change from recent days. We ended that heat wave at 8 days across most of the viewing area after we hit the low 90s yesterday. One last time, some spots yesterday didn't even get to the 90s as that rainfall moved in. So again, this is a very welcome sight, and it does feel a lot better out there as a result. Yes, still fairly muggy, but these temperatures, again, making all the difference. And this is part of the reason the clouds have been very numerous throughout the entire day. It stayed relatively dry at the same time, but we have that frontal boundary still just off to our south. You can see some of that rainfall, and now some of those showers are starting to move just south of I-66 in northern Virginia. So we are still expecting some more rainfall in the forecast, and it is going to be back on the soggy side of things this afternoon and evening. Again, there's that front. It's just lingering right to our south, and there's a lot of rainfall running alongside of that that's heading our direction here. So grab the umbrella, grab the rain gear. It's going to be needed as we go throughout the day. But here is the other benefit, though. It's just going to be mostly rainfall. The severe outlook, there is not really any level of risk out there today. We could have a few thunderstorms, but nothing that should be on the strong to severe side like yesterday, just plain rainfall. So less humid, much cooler today. We are expecting rounds of rainfall, not just today and tonight, but through the rest of the week as that front continues to bring activity our direction through Friday. That being the case, if we see rainfall over the same locations each and every day, flooding is going to be something we have to watch out for in the coming days for those locations that continually stay soggy before we finally start to dry out as we go toward Saturday. So let's go ahead. Let's time out what's going to be moving our way here this afternoon. Again, we already have that activity just off to our south with those showers now moving in from the west. You can see how it's mostly going to be across northern Virginia, tracking into southern Maryland where this rainfall will concentrate, but we can't rule out some of that rain making it as far north as the Maryland-Pennsylvania line. But generally speaking, it will be a little bit more on the dry side to the north, soggier to the south, with everybody having at least a fair shot at seeing some rainfall throughout the rest of the day today and into the night tonight. Those scattered showers will possibly continue. We'll have a drier start to the day on Wednesday once again, but as we go into the afternoon, rinse and repeat literally here. We're going to have some showers and storms popping up and developing from west to east as we roll into the afternoon and evening time on Wednesday. And this time around, the front is moving a little bit more into the area, so that heavier rainfall could make it as far north once again as the Maryland-Pennsylvania line. So this is just the way it's going to go the rest of this upcoming week here. And again, it's a double-edged sword of sorts here. We're going to see that rainfall continue to be in the forecast with plenty of clouds in the mix as well. But overall, we are expecting those temperatures to stay down as we go throughout the rest of this upcoming week. So taking a quick peek at that 7-day forecast. Again, we are going to see those temperatures in the 80s, but there's going to be scattered showers and storms in the mix over the next several days.